everyone. Today on Hello Susan, we're going to start a new project. This is called Christmas Loaded Pockets. And what it is a digital that I have created. So it's a Hello Susan digital. Of course, you can find it at payhip.com. I'll have a link below in case you want to make one too. I made it the perfect size that it could fit inside a journal. So what you get in the kit is 3 sheets. And this is what it is. Let me go in its a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so this is the base. So this is the back part. Then you've got this pocket that goes here, and you've got a smaller pocket that goes here. And I did put a tea stain on the back of mine because I figured that's going to give me some journal space. And then of course it comes with the ephemera, so you can decorate. And then this is all your tags and journal cards, and also some more decorations so that you can stuff these pockets full. And there's that one. So that's the 3 sheets. It's going to be so much fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all this out, and when we come back, we'll make this together. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm back. I got it all cut out. And remember, we're doing the Christmas loaded pockets. And I did a little bit ahead of time just so it wouldn't take so long for me to do the video. So what I did ahead of time was I took this journal card and I added the poinsettia. I just glued it on the top, and I put a little bit of net right there just to give it a little bit of a layering. I took the Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, and I added the 2 pieces of holly that you get in the kit and the birds. Just glued them together. Let's see, what else did I do? I went ahead and worked on the pocket a little bit. This is the back of the pocket, so I put some red lace there. This is the other side of it where you can actually journal. And I put some red lace here and here, and then the jingle bells from the kit right there. And then I took the 2 pieces that form the double pocket and I glued them together so that they're open right here. Oh, let's see. You can see there, they're open still. I just glued right there on the edge and right there on the edge because I wanted the biggest one to still be open all the way down, so it could house the bigger journal cards. So what we need to do first is we need to glue this together. And this is so simple and comes together so fast. Oh, I forgot my glue. Let me get it real quick. Okay, sorry about that. I thought I had it all set up, and I did, but didn't bring the glue in. Okay, so I'm ready. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come down the side, and I'm going to do the bottom. And I'm going to try to stay close to the edge because I don't want to take up all the space with glue that I could use to put my cards in. Okay, so leaving this part open. And then we're just going to line this up. Just like that. Turn it over and look at it and make sure I've got it all lined up good. And if you have to trim a little bit, just trim a little bit. It doesn't look like I need to. So I'm just pushing it together so it can all adhere. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to take this piece that I set up. I want to put that right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get some glue. Now, I got to be careful because these birds are not going to be glued down that much. I'm going to go ahead and just put that on this section of the pocket already. To make sure I get that glued. Okay, and then I'm just going to put glue on all of this. Now, one thing that I found when I was putting this all together, and I know when I was designing it that I knew that it was that way too, is that I gave you more pieces than you need. so that you can make more than one project and they don't all look the same. And these are the pieces that I selected to use this time. That doesn't mean that I'm going to use them next time. It just means that this time, this is what I chose. And just, just keep printing out the pocket. Or use different paper and print you out something else that looks different. But, you can put it together many different ways. Just want to make sure I'm not getting those birds glued down. I did get their little bodies glued right there. Okay, so that's cute. And of course that's what the back looks like. So now all we have left to do is stuff the pockets, because I did all the decorating already, and I put a little topper on that one. Okay, so I want to put this one in the back like that, and this is another huge one, so I want to put that one back there too. These are so fun to put inside a journal, right on the inside cover or any page actually. And you can always use all of these bits and pieces for your journal and not even make the pocket if you don't want to. Okay, let's put this one in. It's big. Put that right there. And let's see here, this one's kind of big too. So we'll put that one right there. I want to try to make sure I can see some of all of them. Okay. Oh, that's cute, isn't it? Okay. And let's see. I think this is the last piece that I planned on using in this one, because once you start trying to put all the other ones in, you just hide everything. Okay, so I want to put this one right there. Still want to see this little, let me lift this up just a little bit and this one up just a little bit. There we go. So now let me set it down so you can see it better. Isn't that cute? Enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this little pocket. See you next time. Bye-bye.